It's indeed a great privilege for me here today to represent Chandigarh, India. And I also take this great opportunity to congratulate our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, who today celebrates his 75th birthday. So it's a double boom for me, and especially with the kind of relations with India enjoys with Russia. Prime Minister Modi completely resonates with the spirit of BRICS getting international world peace to this world. Thank you. I begin by saying that I belong to the city beautiful Chandigarh, and here it's really being very significant to represent my city here today for the technological framework and for the space of the future. We do recognize that no doubt development of a modern city is not just about buildings anymore, but also upon creating resilient ecosystems powered by technology, inclusivity, and innovation. It's my great honor to be here, and thank you for the great question which you put forward regarding the population of India. We're increasing our population by millions every year, but it gets to the heart to make still Chandigarh the most beautiful city along with its IT infrastructure. May this become an example for the world, because we are not only attracting top talent, it's more than just building offices, but it's also about creating a holistic, high-quality city of life. We are actively implementing a multi-pronged strategy to make Chandigarh the most attractive place to live in for highly qualified specialists and their families. Our focus mainly is on these three areas: social and cultural vibrancy, education and healthcare, and smart city initiatives. We are using technology to enhance urban services like traffic management, waste disposal, and public safety. This creates a cleaner, a safer, and more efficient environment for everyone. Support for the startup ecosystem. We've recently introduced the startup policy of 202 type in Chandigarh itself. We want to empower IT professionals to not only join established companies, but also to build their own. Our main competitive advantage today for the Chandigarh Mollet is today the unique combination of urban planning and quality of life that no other city can replicate. Chandigarh's master plan was designed by Le Corbusier, a French architect who offered an unparalleled quality of life that is fundamentally different from other technical hubs of this country. Unmatched urban design, unlike other sprawling tech hubs that have grown organically and chaotically, Chandigarh is the meticulously planned city with a unique blend of urban efficiency and green spaces. This provides a low density but a high quality living experience with wide roads, lush green parks, and a lack of urban congestion. We also have the cleanest and the most beautiful green belts in our city. Our network and parks and green belts provides a great respite from the urban hustle and contributes to a healthier environment. This is a significant differentiation for families seeking a better quality of life. Safety and security. Our low crime rate and planned infrastructure makes Chandigarh one of the most safest cities of our country. This provides immense peace of mind for families, and especially those with young children. While other cities may offer high salaries or a large number of companies, they often come with significant trade-offs in terms of commute times, air pollution, and safety. Our competitive edge is providing a complete ecosystem where IT professionals can build a fulfilling career without sacrificing their well-being or their families. We are not just attracting talent, we are also inviting them to come and build a beautiful life. So that's what I would like to say, that today our focus is mainly on the unmatched urban designs, the green spaces and clean air, the roads infrastructure, and for the first time, we have started the recarpeting of Chandigarh roads on AI model. We also take into consideration the safety and security of every individual to maintain a proper law and order. Chandigarh, luckily, is very strategically located. It is touching the states of Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, and J&K, and almost has proximity to 4 states. So overall, that is the ecosystem for startup and the policy and the culture for the people of Chandigarh. So keeping in mind the population rate and the high increase which is happening every year, we are trying to do our very best for the city of Chandigarh with a lot of cooperation from the administration of Chandigarh as well. I'm proud to be the mayor of this city. Beautiful. Thank you.